Paul. Lay down. Roll over. Hey. Bang! Bang!
All folded into your cone. Come here. Look at where are your ears? Bring me your ear. Oh.
Scratchy.
Can't talk right now. I'm doing cool cat.
Fuck being good, I'm a bad bitch.
Kawaii. Did I?
I just heard something drop. Oh my god. Oh my god. What did you do? What did you do?
I put this tree in this hand. Which one would it be in? Good boy. Good boy, Gato. What if I switch it up, Gato, and I put the tree in my left hand? Which one would it be in? Huh?
Just thinking.
Which one would it be in? Good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy, Mr. Gato.
Oh my god. Cute.
Yeah, look how photogenic he is. Look at the light. You're so beautiful. Look at that round head. It looks like you got squished at birth. But it's okay, because you cute. You cute.
Is it time for dinner? When is dinner time? It's not now. You have to wait, Pud.
Shut up,